Have you ever heard of the Aral Sea disaster? Imagine a lake so vast it was once the world's fourth largest, teeming with life and supporting bustling communities. Now picture that same lake, almost vanished off the face of the earth. A bewildering thought, isn't it? How could such a colossal body of water simply disappear? Well, it's not magic or a myth. It's a chilling tale of environmental catastrophe. Let's dive into the history of the Aral Sea and unravel this environmental mystery. The seeds of the disaster were sown in the 1960s. At this time, the Soviet Union embarked on an ambitious plan. They diverted the two main rivers, the Amu Darya and the Syr Darya, that fed the Aral Sea for large-scale irrigation projects. This seemingly smart move for agriculture, however, had a drastic and unforeseen consequence. The water levels of the Aral Sea began to decrease at an alarming rate. The Aral Sea began to shrink, setting the stage for one of the greatest ecological disasters of our time. Fast forward to the present day, and the Aral Sea is a fraction of its former size. Today, it's split into two smaller bodies of water, a poignant symbol of a once thriving ecosystem now crippled. The local fishing industry, once the lifeblood of the region, is obliterated. The environment reels under increased salinity and pollution levels, causing a ripple effect on local flora and fauna. This paints a grim picture, doesn't it? The Aral Sea disaster is a stark warning of the devastating impact of human interference on nature. So, the story of the Aral Sea serves as a potent reminder of the consequences of our actions. We've journeyed through its decline, from being the world's fourth largest lake to an ecological disaster, impacting both the environment and local fishing industry. This underscores the urgent need for sustainable development and careful stewardship of our natural resources. Let's prevent history from repeating itself. What part of this environmental tragedy struck you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more eye-opening videos like this one.